Alright, these are the elevators at the Mount Lebanon South Public Parking Garage. In Mount Lebanon, Pennsylvania. These are some ThyssenKrupp Marshall tractions. I think this is a modernization. These don't behave like typical ThyssenKrupp tractions of this era. Well, supposed era, you know what I mean. The button goes out immediately. And the chime rings, and you press the button. You have to press that button and that button to get it to ring. On ThyssenKrupps at least. 2,500 pounds. This is elevator 1. There's a phone. We'll send this down a few floors because I think the other one's up here. Oh, you're not going? Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
We just want to pay, we're parked outside there. So this makes it easier. Okay.
This one's single slide. Interesting. Sorry.
You won't have to go down now. I pulled in and I was like, oh.
Lucky the other one got there just in time. Yeah, I don't know what's the deal with this. I don't know if it's a new install or that one's a new install. I don't know. £2,500. No Dover or ThyssenKrupp logo at all. This is elevator 2. This must be the newer one. Phone. Oh, good, we're on the street. All right, there it goes. Hope you enjoyed. That's really slow.